Hello everybody, welcome to new tutorial inside Creo Parametric. In this tutorial, we're going to show you how can you model the square head bolt inside Creo Parametric. And we will make this circular threads, or you can say the knuckle threads, on this bolt. Now to do this, come to new file, select solid, assign the proper name, and say OK. Now what I can do, I will just extrude and front plane, make it normal. Draw center rectangle like this, assign the proper dimension, and keep it 20, and keep this side also 20. And I will say OK. Now the head thickness, I will keep it 7.75. Keep it as a mid plane, and I will say OK. Right. Now again I will extrude on this face, make it normal. I will draw a circle like this, come to smart dimension, and keep this one 16, or you can say keep this one 15, and I will say OK. Now let me drag this point like this, keep this length 35, and I will say OK. Again I will create a taper cut on this face, make it normal. I will draw a circle like this, move it extend into this line, and I will say OK. I will reverse the direction, remove material, I will come to option, add taper, keeping an angle 45, keep this one outside, and I will say OK. Pattern planes, I will select this plane, make it normal, and I will sketch, draw a line like this, draw a center line, and I will say OK. Now I will come to helical sweep, select the pen icon, and I will take the reference of this line and this line, close it for now, and I will draw a circle like this, come to smart dimension, keep this one 2, and I will say OK. Now either you can flip the direction from here, or you can come here and you can flip the direction from here as well. Now I will remove the material, come to pitch, and let me make the pitch 2.5, or you can say 2.5 right now. Let's work better. You can keep it right handed or left handed. For now I am keeping it edge to edge, and I will say OK. So hopefully you understand how can you model the circular threads or knuckle threads on the square head bolt. Now I will assign some color. I will come to view, appearance, and let me select red for now, heart, and I will say OK. See, let's look better. The basic concept in this tutorial was how to make a square head bolt with knuckle threads. So hopefully you enjoyed this tutorial. If you are new on my channel, so please don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the notification bell icon so that to not miss any of the video that I uploaded. If you want to see the section, you can check like this. Thanks for watching.